see it now. You're on film.
Hello.
Wow, look at this. Look how beautiful. It cleared up nice.
There you go. Solitude one, or you want to?
This might be my last one. I was a little wobbly on just a little short one there.
Yeah, all right.
And the top, you know, the boots right around the top where they are.
Yeah, they're hurt.
Yeah, they're hurt.
Yeah, okay, this is good.
Yeah, this is, oh, look at this. Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm hurt right at the top of the boot.
Yeah.